Crispy baked zucchini chips. Ingredients: 2 medium zucchinis, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1/4 cup grated Parmesan cheese, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon paprika, salt and pepper to taste. Optional, dip or sauce of your choice for serving. Instructions: preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 degrees Celsius. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Slice the zucchinis into thin rounds about 1/8 inch thick. Pat the slices dry with a paper towel to remove excess moisture. In a bowl, combine the olive oil, grated Parmesan cheese, garlic powder, paprika, salt, and pepper. Mix well to create a seasoned coating. Dip each zucchini slice into the mixture, ensuring both sides are coated evenly. Place the coated slices in a single layer on the prepared baking sheet. Bake in the preheated oven for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the zucchini chips turn golden and crispy. Remove from the oven and let them cool for a few minutes to crisp up further. Serve the crispy baked zucchini chips as is or with your favorite dip or sauce.